Hey y'all, it's Mary and I got my Birchbox. Now this is the May Birchbox. I did get this in May, but I was out of town. So you will be seeing it in June. I'm gonna tell you first what I'm wearing and then I'll tell you about the Birchbox. I have on this Nomad palette. This is the Tokyo palette and it's really, really light, beautiful summer and spring colors. Look at that. How beautiful is that? A lot of these are duochromes. Very, very pretty. And I am wearing my new Kiko Milano Lippy. This one is it is called Mauve and Mauve. This was the lightest color that I received. It's very beautiful. I love it. It won't come off on anything. Cups, lips, I mean hand. What am I trying to say? Anyway, let's see what's in my Birchbox. Y'all, Birchbox is $20 a month if you get it by the month. I got it by the year, so it's $17 if you pay for it all at one time. I got a discount coupon that I found when I Googled, and so mine is just about $15-ish. So when you open it, it says, oh, joy is being totally you. And then this is what it looks like inside. There's a brochure. The brochure tells you about what was going on for the month, not so much about your products that you chose. There's a lot of products to choose. You get to pick all 5 of your products. You get 5 products. And so, of course, there's a beautiful woman on the front of it. It's Hydration Haven. As the summer sun climbs higher, it's time to embrace the vibrant season of warmth and vitality. Team Birchbox. And then they have inside some of the products that we love this month type of thing. So, okay. And I have my notes I took screenshots as I chose. And so let's see what I got. I was able to choose between these items. There was a First Aid Beauty anti-chafe, it looked like a solid antiperspirant. So anti-chafe, so like on your legs if you're wearing a skirt or something, full size. There was a makeup brush set that was a Birchbox brand, it said, makeup brush set. I think it was 5 eyeshadow or eye brushes. There was the brand Floss. They like that brand. There were 2 different highlighters, 2 different colors to choose from. There was Revive a bath and shower oil. That was a deluxe sample. There was an Estate Lippy, which is nice. The Estate Lippies look like this. And when you clicked on that, you could go in and pick a color. They had a couple different colors to choose from. I believe I've already got an Estate Lippy from them, so I didn't choose that. And I don't know where the cutoff is. They give you 6-ish. I think 4, 5, 6 things to pick from the first batch. You pick one. You can also say, you pick for me on all of the categories. The second category, same thing. They give you a little bit more, maybe 5, 6, 7, 8 things to pick from, and I don't remember where the cutoff is. So I'll tell you those things, and then I'll tell you the rest of it in a minute. I'll show you what I picked. They also had this to choose from, which I already have. This full size. This is the brand Voyeur, V-O-R, and this is a hair brand, and this is an invisible dry shampoo and conditioner. It says, she's like the wind. They had this, and they also had the same brand in a full-size shampoo. It was a treatment shampoo. So this is odd. I got this in a box somewhere along the line. This is powder. Instead of being, I use dry shampoos all the time. They're a spray. And this comes out like a powder. So you pump it out. Oops, do you see that? So it's this powder. It almost looks like a finishing powder is what it looks like. And then put it in your hair. I don't know if you have dark hair, if this would work for you. When I was a kid, to help us, before they had dry shampoos, I think it was before they had dry shampoos, but we would sometimes, if our hair was oily looking, we would put baby powder in our hair. So it's the same concept as that. I don't really use it very often because it's too odd to me, but I do have it. And that's it there. So I didn't choose that, but this fabulous item was in there, and this is what I chose. This is the EVO Skin. This, I should have looked up the price. I did not. This is expensive. I've received this before in Boxy, in maybe even Test Tube Beauty, in different packages. There are 6 pairs of eye masks in here, and they're hydrogel eye therapy tear catchers. They're called Hydrate and Brighten, and I want to say this is about $30 for this package, maybe even more. And I paid, well, you would pay $20 for this box, so I paid less than that. So there are 6 pairs. It's a full-size product. So most of the first items were full size. Some of the second choice items were full size, okay? So going on, because like I said, I don't remember where the cutoff was. I think it was right around here after the Estate Lippy. There was an Earth Harbor Rose Toner. I've had that before. It's a deluxe sample. There was the brand Deuce. There were lip liner. There were 2 different colors to choose from. That would be full size. There was the Aero brand. Aero comes a lot in Birchbox. A liquid cheek tint. There was an eyeliner, Your Way brand, double-ended. One end was an eyeliner and the other end was a remover tip. That was really cool. There was a Detangle spray that was a deluxe sample. There was Aero brand lip balm that had a little pink tint to it. And like I said, you can always just choose, you pick for me. And then there was this, and I thought this would be nice because none of that, I've had a lot of these things before, and none, I could have got that double-ended, maybe I should have got that, but I got this because I'll put this in a giveaway. This is a jade roller, and I've had this one before from Birchbox, and it's very nice. In fact, instead of me opening this all up, I do have it, so let me just show it to you. If I can find it right now. Yeah, it's this smaller one. I'm almost positive it's this one because this came from Birchbox. So I do have this jade roller. I have several different ones. I have a black one and things like that, double-ended, but I do believe this is one-ended. It is sealed nicely. We can maybe get a, yeah, there it is. There it is. It's just like this one. It's a little lighter in color, but it has the jade handle and then it has the jade roller. So I'm gonna keep this intact for a future giveaway. And this I think was valued at $18, I think. So, and it comes in its box and everything. So then category number 3 was, I have it all written down, but where did it go? Hang on. Here, everything gets moved around. Category number 3, you could choose Wander Beauty Cleanser. Now that's a nice deluxe sample and it's a pump, very nice. I've had that before. There was Air Repair brand moisturizer. There were 2 different Refresh face wipes. You would get 2 of them. They were individually wrapped and then you can carry them with you. There was a hair mask. There was LOC brand, which is, I should know what that stands for. Something of color. There were liquid shimmer shadows. There were 2 colors to pick from. There was Bare Minerals Night Serum, and these were mostly deluxe samples. There was a State brand highlighter, 2 different ones, and I think those are full size. There was a name I never heard of before. I think it was a vanilla perfume the way it looked. And then there were the 3 items I chose because in category 3, you get to choose 3 items. And again, if you want them to choose for you, you can just click on choose for me. So what I got was this Body Shop. I love the Body Shop products. This is a ginger scalp care shampoo for dry, flaky scalp. I don't need this, but I love the Body Shop and I wanted to support them by choosing it. And it smells like ginger, and I don't have dandruff and stuff. I know people that do, and it may end up in a future giveaway even, but there's a good bit of shampoo in there. You'd be able to wash your hair a few times, depending, of course, on how much hair you have. But the Body Shop is a phenomenal store that started in London, and I love their products. They're usually, all natural, animal, no animal testing, all that good kind of stuff. So that's why I got that. And then they had the brand Amica, which I love the hair brand Amica. This is the Cure Multitask Repair Treatment. And again, I'm not sure that I need this or that I'll use it, but based on what was available, I wouldn't mind picking the makeup and things like that, but I just thought let's do some different things. Of course, this is sealed, but usually, oh, I can smell it. It's usually, this brand has wonderful scents to their hair care products. So that is that, and that's a good size for a hair treatment. Unless you have a ton of hair, you would, this should last you a few times. And then they had one of my very favorite perfumes, Victor and Rolf, and this is the Flower Bomb. Now there are a few of the different bombs from that brand, and I don't know. I like a couple of them. I don't know that I could say I have one that's my very favorite or something, but this, let me take it out of here, if I can get it out of here. This is one of those things that doesn't open. You'd have to break it. Oh, it is leaking out of there. I got a little bit on me, so I'll just, yeah, I love it. I love it. This is it. It's just a sample and a little bit leaked out, but it is, you'll recognize it when you see it there. I just love it. It's nice and spicy. This brand perfume is spicy. So that's what I got in my Birchbox. They are there's a lot of sample sizes in the Birchbox. That's what the Birchbox is. It's like the Ipsy Glam Bag. They're small items, but they are offering a lot of foil packages, which I would never want to get. I did get in my last box because of what was available. It was a shampoo and conditioner sample, and I could get 1 or 2 uses out of that. I'd much prefer something this size, a deluxe sample is what this is called. So I got the perfume, I got the scalp shampoo and the hair treatment, and I got the beautiful jade roller, full size, and then I got the eye masks, and these are full size as well. And I think this was a great box again this month. And in the meantime, I've had to pick for the June already, so maybe I'll get that. I should get that before the end of June and be able to show it to you in the month of June, hopefully. There are 2 other channels that get Birchbox that I've seen, and that would be Tea Time Adventures and Beauty and More with Renee. So I will tag them below if you'd like to go see what they got. And again, we get to choose, and there's a lot to choose from. So we definitely would have different things. We might have 1 or 2 of the same thing, but I know that Renee's been getting it, and tea. So go check them out, y'all. And thanks for stopping by, and count your blessings. Bye-bye.